Hey, what's going on, ComicWow.com? This is Comics on TV. My name is Mike.
And I'm your good buddy, Jump Street.
It is the end. It is the finale of this mini-series event, or maybe it's the first season, nobody knows yet, of Agent Carter.
I think it's more like a maxi series.
It's terrible.
It wasn't terrible.
It wasn't
the finale
good.
Was great.
It was. I thought Howard Stark coming back would kind of put things in perspective and make it a little bit better, but God, it's just dredging up the same crap.
Well, you got to expect that from Howard Stark. Harold.
Harold.
I already mispronounced his name because I could give a crap about that. Because obviously, you know, he's just a screw-up, dude. He's a genius. He doesn't have time for social conventions and all these other things. He's not Bruce Wayne.
Here's the thing. There is a lot of things that happened throughout this season, and the thing I mostly had a problem with is they did not let Peggy stand on her own 2 feet. They always had to bring reference to Captain America. And oh my God, did they not beat it over our head again. Yes, she used to date Captain America. Yes, she is holding a flame about Captain America. And yes, now even Howard has to talk about one of his regrets is not digging Captain America out of the ice. Okay, we get it. You know Captain America. We get it. That's why the show exists.
Well,
we get it.
I gotta say, if it wasn't for Captain America, yes, we wouldn't be subjected to this show. But overall, I think as the show stands, while some of the episodes were not great because there's too much expositional crap in them, ultimately, the series on its own, I feel like it stands as a good portion to add to what we already know about Captain America from the movies. I think in the Marvel pantheon of information, I think it's a nice little addition. And I think that's all it was supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a full series. It's not supposed to be a 2-hour movie event, which, you know, that premiere
that would have been a lot nicer
jarring.
Instead of getting dragged through, what, 10 episodes of this?
9, but whatever. It's all good.
Here's the thing. Utterly predictable throughout. The SSR, inept, can't do anything. They screw up everything.
But if you put it in the time period and make it a period piece that it's supposed to be, then that's how it was. It's not like now.
They had no clue that this guy could potentially be, you know, Mr. Hypnotize Everyone Under the Sun Russian dude that we just found in a prison, could potentially be a bad guy till Howard Stark shows up and says, I have a file. Hey, this guy's bad. Hunch, we had a hunch about him.
Well, yeah, which was confirmed with the chief throwing himself out the window and blowing up last week.
You have to have your chief die and throw himself out a window to be confirmed. It's just many layers of crap that they put in front of us, especially Dottie, the ninja neighbor. We throw her out of a window, she lands in a puddle of her own blood, and guess what happens the next scene, everybody? Spoiler alert, she's not there anymore. She disappeared.
Which is awesome because that sets us up for season 2 of Agent Carter if they ever make it. Because now I really want to see where it'll go.
Hopefully they will replace me and put somebody else here to do Agent Carter because I can't do it anymore. I can't.
No, that's on you, bro. I liked it. I thought it was good. I think it's nice that Peggy finally gets the recognition she deserves. It's like this little series was a jumping off point to something better for the whole idea of it, and, you know, hopefully that can happen. If not, you know she dies later in that Captain America movie. So
of old age. She has plenty of time for that. Comment at the bottom. Tell us what you think.
Do that.
Is Kevin right? Am I right?
Who knows who's right?
Check us out on Facebook. Throw us a like.
Yeah, or find us on Twitter at The Real Comic Wow.
Also go to Vimeo, and where we have HD videos, check out our YouTube channel as well, and subscribe. Also, ComicWow.com is where you can start a free profile today. Join in the conversation with Kevin, myself, Josh, Gina, pretty much anybody, even Big Rick, who was here a couple times.
Big Rick. That's
See you on ComicWow.com.
See you there. Bye.